Is it punctured or what? It's 40 odd kilometers to go, but no air in the back tire. Come on. Got to be kidding me. Oh.
पंचर आगे रिंग ಹೇಳ್ತಿತ್ತು
गड़बड़ हो गया. Hello guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday and I am heading for a short evening ride today. So there is this place called Chota Ladakh. That is where we are going now, and I'm not alone today. I have a friend with me. I'll introduce him later. He is going to make a debut in my channel today. So this Chota Ladakh, I think it's a good place, good vibes. Nothing fancy, but people have just hyped about this particular place and made it very famous. Yeah. The weather is absolutely good. Wow. This is part of Karnataka, Bangalore, Tumkur, Mysore and Kolar. So these areas are really blessed with good climate, guys. Oh man, look at that beautiful mountain. Chota Ladakh off-road trails start from here. This is so amazing place. I think this is my third time here. But when I had come first time, it was closed. Kind of risky to come at this time. I suggest people to come here during morning time. See, this is little bit, it's getting little bit tricky here. Yeah, shit, it's kind of stuck here now. Let's go. Ooh. Shit. Quiet place, beautiful place though. Because of rain, this has become a little bit slushy, but otherwise it was not that difficult when I had come second time. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಂಗೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬೇಕಾರೆ. Okay, here the proper off-roading starts. Finally I saw at least someone. This is the first vehicle I have seen. So I hope there will be some crowd over there. If not also it's fine, but if you have some crowd, I think it will be good. Is it open there? Yeah. We can go and view, right? Yeah, thanks. Ouch. Oh. That was nice of police. I thought he will stop and ask me to get back, and I'd come first time. That was the experience. But Oh man, this is so good. Where is Chetan? I'll wait for him. We are going back now. Plan was not 100% successful because we came here when it was almost dark. But yeah, it was good experience. And now the adventure is not yet over. Now we have to go back in this kind of road, and that too with pillion. This is going to be exciting. See how beautiful the road is. Oh shit. Got to be careful here now. ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ. Is it punctured or what? I don't think so. We have ended up coming to this village. Actually, we took up this long route because I didn't wanted to go into the fields again. That's the reason we took a detour and we have come to this village. And I have a slight feeling that the back tire is punctured. I hope not so, but I don't, because today itself I had filled up the air and I see zero air, almost zero. It has touched the ground almost, and I can feel some sound, of the rim. I don't have any choice than to keep riding because there are no puncture shops over here. We asked a gentleman. He told we have to go on the highway and there are a few puncture shops over there. So we're going there now. Yeah, such bad experiences will give you good learnings, We tried getting air fueled here in this petrol bunk, but no luck. So we are going to next petrol bunk now. This is turning out to be an experience to be remembered, at least for some days. 40 odd kilometers to go, but no air in the back tire. Come on. Got to be kidding me. We have finally found a puncture shop, and the good news is the gentleman is telling it is not punctured. ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏರು. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Then we were riding all this while without air. Huh? Holy shit, man. वो निकल के आया था क्या? निकल के आया था वो?
उसमें से लीकेज हो रहा है.
लीकेज हो रहा है?
कैसे बाहर आया था वो? बाहर नहीं आया.
So Chetan is giving me feedback about my Hindi.
कैमरा लाके बैठा है अभी भी. पंचर हुआ है वो नहीं देख रहा.
वही है भाई, कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स का प्रॉब्लम है भाई, क्या कर सकते हैं. गुड न्यूज़ बैड न्यूज़, वी हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इट.
अब आप इनके वीडियो में आएंगे.
हमारे भैया हेल्प कर रहे हैं हमको. ओह
पंचर आगे रिंग
गड़बड़ हो गया.
रबड़ होता ना,
हाँ
ये कट जाता है.
अरे यार,
करने पे कट जाता है.
ओके,
दूसरा चेंज कर दिया होता.
ओह थैंक्स भैया, आप बहुत एक्सपर्ट हो इसमें.
कहीं दुकान बंद है, ये भी लारी वाला बहुत दूर से आ रहा है.
ओह
मैंने आके बंद करके जा रहा था. गए थे वहाँ पे भी नहीं भर रहे हो. हाँ, बंद करके मैं जा रहा हूँ. अभी हो गया बस. नहा लिया था, अभी जा रहा था, तब तक आ गए.
थैंक यू सो मच भैया, थैंक यू. हाँ शुक्रिया. Apparently there will be a small rubber inside your wall. air was popping out from that because of off-roading, and today itself I had filled my air. That's the reason, you know, the air was slowly coming out. Good news was there was no puncture. So we are all set now, back on the highways. I have dropped my friend to his home. Now I'm heading back home. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't know how it was, but I tried my best to capture things even at dark. With that, hope you guys enjoyed this video and do give it a like. Take care. See you guys. Bye bye. See that little champ how he's sitting. Cute.